How to create a Monopoly Go account. Want to jump into the fast-paced fun of Monopoly Go? Here's how to create your very own Monopoly Go account and start rolling those dice in no time. First, install the Monopoly Go app on your device. Once installed, launch the app. You'll be greeted with colorful graphics and that Monopoly Go vibe. Now, here you'll be given two options: play with friends, or you can sign in with Apple. You can just tap on this play with friends and tap on continue. From here, enter your email and password and log in, and from there you'll be connected to your Monopoly Go. You can add friends and collect extra rewards from them, or you can also connect with Apple. So simply tap and sign in with Apple, and you will be signed in with your Apple, just like this. And that's it, you are all set to start building, stealing and smashing your way through Monopoly Go. If this helped, tap like, subscribe and tell us in the comments what's your dream Monopoly token.